9713 Southeast 41st Street, Mercer Island. Got the camera a little bit further today. December 17th, 2020. Got the camera a little bit further. We were down in the main. I'm going to pull out of the main right here, and we're going to get a look at the tap. We did have an issue here. We're going to try to get a better look at it coming back out of here. So there's the main. So you are absolved of responsibility here. It's that one right before. You got a good sized lip right there. It's kind of hard to see exactly what happened there, but. So that's the top of the pipe.
Was that the angle or what?
Yeah, I mean it's coming in. It's kind of coming in, dropping like that. You can tell this is not like 100% kosher there. You can't see exactly how it's. And that just looks like a big piece of mortar, or I don't know, the piped lip shifted up.
I see it.
So, yeah, I mean, because that's just a solid chunk of pipe right there. That's a. Locate exactly where this spot is here.
Is it side sewer line?
Yep, it's side sewer.
Never in the side sewer.
Got to see.
It's all side sewer until you get to the main.
Right. So basically the line is fucked up.
That area is the main. The question is it designed to save that?
We'll talk to him about
If it's
that.
bumpy, not just
They
bumpy.
probably have to repair it before they line. Just saying to you.
If we fix it, don't have to design it. Right? Because digging fixed it.
I mean, that marking, their marking must be off. Because I mean, it's got to be like right here. Because my 10-foot mark, I'm right on it again. So the main has got to be closer to this versus their marking right here.
So the main is even further
Up onto you.
So it's not. This is not correct then. This is other
This
main
is
is
just
the other
schematic,
side.
probably.
Street side.
Yeah, I'll locate the main right now.
He's going to locate the main.
But they shouldn't be wrong, right? They are professional function, right? I don't know how they mark, how they found that. They are just relying on a map,
I guess. I don't know.
not using a machine.
I don't know. We didn't see him use any machines.
We didn't do it.
Oh, that can't be.
That's real.
It can't be real. That's way up.
Right here.
That's the main?
Yep.
Are you kidding?
Too close to our.
That's unbelievable.
Where?
Right where I dug my foot in. Right here.
Really? And so where, and the problem is right here,
Yeah, is your last section.
2 feet. They can see this.
close to the,
So yeah, it's that last section, like you were saying.
So they saw here. We saw here.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit bizarre that.
So the camera was able to scope the whole thing, but the problem is still maybe we're flowing, but we got breakages and all kinds of stuff.